This video tells about video use in teaching. Young people use videos as format and YouTube a lot. YouTube is a video sharing website with educational content that can change a boring lesson into an interactive discussion and wakes into the imagination of students. YouTube is a free video sharing website that makes it easy to watch online videos. You can create, edit, and upload your own videos to YouTube to share them with others. If you would like to upload and edit your own videos, you need to sign up for YouTube and create your own channel. Videos promote learning in many ways. The students see actual jobs rather than imagines them based on what the teachers say. By making videos yourself, students must carefully consider each work step ahead. It may be easier for students to appear in a video than in front of a classroom. The teacher can evaluate students' knowledge on the basis of video. The teacher can do the teaching video himself and load it to YouTube or show a video that is suitable for the subject. It's also a good learning experience if students make videos themselves. It's a good idea to make a video at a low threshold and accept a bit of the first quality so students will be easier to show their videos to others. In some cases, videos can be as good as a teacher in communicating facts or demonstrating procedures. The videos support the students' independent study. Videos can increase student motivation. Making videos enhances students' teamworking and communication skills. Videos are a good way to learn, but we need to check that videos are suitable for teaching.